Every developer has asked this question at least once. Should I use local AI for free or just pay for Cloud Code and finish my work faster? Today we are comparing local AI versus Cloud Code, privacy, performance, cost, free versus paid limit, and which one actually makes your life easier. No marketing hype, just developer reality. So first, let's just talk about what is local AI and what is Cloud Code. I will explain in a way like you are a child. Local AI refers to AI model that run directly on your own computer or local server. For example, Olama, LM Studio, and local LMMs like DeepSeek, Llama, and Mistral. You can download and install those in your PC and you can use those to write your code. The key feature of local AI is that since you are installing those directly in your PC, so you don't need any internet connection to use them. All your data is on your machine, so it's completely private and gives you full control. On the other hand, Cloud Code is cloud-based coding assistant built using Andropic's Cloud AI. You can use Cloud Code by using command prompt and also you can use it inside VS Code as well. The key feature of Cloud Code is that it is extremely strong and it understands your code bases completely. It can handle long context, making it ideal for big projects. Now let's do the comparison. I tried using local AI and my laptop sounded like a helicopter. Then I tried Cloud Code. Same code, same bug. Local AI took a minute. On the other hand, Cloud AI did it in seconds. Local AI is free, private, and runs on your machine. But if your hardware is weak, your AI starts thinking about life instead of code. Cloud Code runs in your cloud, reads your entire project, and answer like it knows the solution. It doesn't care about your weak laptop or PC. Local AI is free, but if you want to download and install any heavy local AI, then you have to pay with a very high-end PC. For example, let's say if you want to use a good local AI, then your PC RAM at least needs to be 64 GB. If you just give a prompt to the local AI, it will say, I'm thinking, then it will say, still thinking. Then it will tell you, go and make a coffee. You come back with coffee, and local AI is still thinking. On the other hand, Cloud Code can do that all instantly. A very good local AI can reach the intelligence level of Cloud Code around like 80 to 90%, but it will be still slower than Cloud Code. Since you are installing local AI in your computer, you might feel like hacking, but Cloud Code will make you feel like winning. So if you care about speed, clean code, and deadline, just use Cloud Code. Tell me what you feel. Do you want to use local AI since it's free, or do you want to use Cloud Code since it's faster? Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in the future tutorials.